Have you ever pondered how we'll feed the world's population, projected to reach 9 billion by 2050? With a demand for 70% more food, how can we achieve this without straining our already stretched resources? Enter the revolution of precision agriculture, a game-changing approach that's transforming farms globally. Its promise: more food, less waste, and a sustainable future for us all. Precision agriculture isn't some high-tech, inaccessible concept. It's simply farming smart. It's about giving your crops an individual health plan and nurturing them with the right resources at the right time. Imagine a network of sensors spread across a field, quietly collecting data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and plant health. This data, once crunched by powerful software, paints an accurate picture of the field's condition. This information empowers farmers to make precise decisions on irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. The result? A harmonious balance between productivity and sustainability. Resources are used efficiently, costs are saved, and the environment breathes a sigh of relief. And it's not just talk. A recent study found that farms employing precision agriculture techniques experienced a yield increase of up to 25%. That's a quarter more food produced using the same or less resources. Water, a precious commodity in agriculture, gets a reprieve too. Precision agriculture techniques can slash water usage by up to 30%. Now that's a significant step towards sustainable farming. This isn't a technology reserved for large-scale farms with deep pockets. Drones, once a novelty, are now commonplace, mapping fields with precision and providing invaluable insights for farmers. It's like having X-ray vision. So, the future of food? It's more secure than you might think. Precision agriculture is empowering farmers with data-driven decision-making, arming them with the tools and knowledge to farm smarter, not harder. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. To delve deeper into precision agriculture, share your questions in the comments below. And remember to hit like and subscribe for more insights into the future of food. Together, we can shape a future where everyone, everywhere, has access to safe, nutritious food. So here's to growing together, smarter and more sustainably. Until next time, keep pondering the possibilities.